In modern warfare, the first casualty is often not a soldier, but situational awareness. A split-second delay in response to an aerial threat can mean the difference between neutralizing an adversary and absorbing a lethal strike. That's precisely the gap India aims to close with its new generation Akashteer command and control system. At a time when drone swarms, hypersonic glide vehicles, and low observable cruise missiles are changing the nature of threats, India is building a layered, sensor-fused, and AI-enabled air defense ecosystem to respond, not with just firepower, but with faster, smarter command decisions. Akashteer, developed by Bharat Electronics Limited, BEL, in partnership with the Indian Army, is a fully indigenous, network-centric air defense control system. It's not a weapon per se, but rather the digital architecture that integrates all existing and future land-based air defense assets into a real-time command matrix. Technically, Akashteer comprises control centers at corps, division, and brigade levels, tactical control stations mounted on high-mobility vehicles, secure communication links over optical fiber, software-defined radios, and satellite fallback channels, multi-layered sensor integration, including 3D surveillance radars, electro-optical sensors, and ground-based tracking units. At its heart lies a battlefield digitization engine capable of fusing inputs from disparate sources, both legacy and modern, into a single consolidated air situation picture, ASP. Unlike legacy systems that required manual deconfliction and coordination, Akashteer leverages automated threat classification, dynamic target prioritization, and suggested weapon assignment through a rule-based AI core. It doesn't just improve reaction speed, it reduces decision latency at every level. This allows air defense batteries to respond to high-speed, low RCS targets like drones, loitering munitions, or stealth aircraft in real time. The system also supports layered air defense doctrines, allowing simultaneous tracking and engagement of multiple targets across varying altitudes and ranges. A critical feature of Akashteer is its ability to integrate legacy assets. India's inventory includes older but still functional systems like ZSU-23-4 Shilka and L-70 guns, Kavadrat, SA-6, SAM systems, Strela and Igla manpads, and indigenous Akash and future Very Short-Range Air Defense (VSHORAD) systems. Akashteer enables these platforms to interface with the command grid via digital adapters and common operating protocols, giving new operational life to systems that were once siloed and limited by analog-era constraints. Field trials have demonstrated that even 1960s-era guns, once integrated, can receive automated fire control cues and target overlays, turning them into effective counters for drone and slow-flyer threats. This is a major force multiplier, especially in high-altitude forward deployments where newer systems may not yet be fielded. On the strategic front, Akashteer is a cornerstone of the Indian Army's digitized air defense battlefield vision. It aims to provide instantaneous sensor-to-shooter loops, prevent fratricide via IFF-tagged Blue Force tracking, enable seamless joint operations with the IAF's IACCS and IA's artillery command and control systems, and ensure continuity of operations in contested electromagnetic environments through redundant communication protocols and hardened cyber defenses. Importantly, it is modular and scalable. In conventional warfare, it enables a theater air defense model. In asymmetric environments, like counter-drone operations during peacetime, it allows for agile deployment in civilian heavy zones without collateral damage. Akashteer has already been tested during recent high-altitude skirmishes, where it provided rapid early warning and facilitated the engagement of multiple UAVs with precision. Globally, it compares most closely not to missile-centric systems like Iron Dome or NASAMS, but to digital integration frameworks like America's FAADC2 or Israel's Sky-2 network. However, Akashteer's USP lies in its ability to build a sophisticated network over legacy infrastructure, without relying on foreign technology or hardware. It's built for Indian terrain, Indian threats, and Indian logistics. And its future evolution is already in motion. Bell is working on expanding its artificial intelligence modules, enabling predictive threat modeling and automatic reconfiguration of air defense layers during saturation attacks. Integration with upcoming indigenous systems like Project Kusha, India's integrated BMD layer, SAMAR air defense missiles, and AI-powered drone counters is also underway. If you've found this breakdown of India's air defense transformation insightful, now would be a great time to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We delve deep into the systems shaping modern battlefields, bringing you the why, how, and what next of global defense innovation. Back on the ground, Akashteer is not just a system, it's a doctrinal shift. A leap from siloed gun batteries to a smart, connected, AI-assisted air shield that can adapt in real time. In a future where the first threat may arrive as a silent drone or hypersonic glide weapon, such a system ensures that India can see it, track it, and respond before it's too late. This is what the next generation of air defense looks like, not just smarter weapons, but smarter warfighting.